miles an hour. Whoa. It's electric cars too, it's pretty nice. Whoa, whoa, okay. Driving left-handed, it's pretty hard. I don't know how YouTube would do it. Okay, turn. Ow. I'm such a good driver. Maybe not. Lights. Bright lights. Oh, jeez. Do not bump car ahead. Oh, easy enough. A lot better than the California version, actually. Oh. Random person sitting there. Ooh, deep into the forest. Whoa! Ah. Okay. Whoa! It's funny sound effects here. Look at those fat trees. Whoa! Shoot. Full speed ahead. Wall brakes. Ah, shoot. Why is she stopped? Uh-oh, I think they're stuck. Yeah, I think they're stuck. Oh, that's great. That's just great. Are we can't pushing them? No, I can't push them to help either. There I go. Whoa, go. Okay, stop. Character stop. Look at the sound effects. I'm out of here. Okay. Whoops.